In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Roman numerals and English numbers in a Microsoft Word document. If you are working on a school project, a research paper, or a professional report, formatting your page numbers correctly is very important. Many formal documents require Roman numerals for the introductory pages and regular numbers for the main content. In this tutorial, I will guide you clearly and smoothly through the exact process of setting this up in Microsoft Word. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, double-click at the top or bottom of the page to activate the header or footer area. Then, look at the top of the screen and click on the Insert tab. This tab allows you to add different elements to your document, including headers, footers, and page numbers. Next, click on Page Number. You will see several options that allow you to choose where the number should appear. You can place it at the top of the page, at the bottom, or in another preferred location. Choose the position that best fits your document layout and then select Plain Number 1. After selecting the placement, go back to the Insert tab, click on Page Number again, and then choose Format Page Numbers. A dialog box will appear with different numbering styles. Under the Number Format section, you will see multiple options. If you want Roman numerals, select the format that displays I. If you prefer standard English numbering, choose the format that displays 1, 2, 3. Once you have selected your desired numbering style, click OK to apply the changes. Your document will now display the page numbers in the format you selected. That's all there is to it. By adjusting the page number format through the Insert tab and formatting options, you can quickly switch between Roman numerals and regular numbers depending on your document's requirements. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.